everyone, my name is Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel Bramble Reed. So this week guys, we are going to be making the paper mache lamp, so let your light shine. This handmade table decor lamp is a paper mache craft out of paper mache newspaper, or it can be made out of paper mache toilet paper or paper mache cardboard. You can make this DIY night lamp for your children or have it as a tissue paper craft decor in your home. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. Comment down below if you're enjoying the paper mache tutorial so far. This is done. You can see those little clear bits. So that's going to be where the light is going to shine through. But what I also want to do is I'm just going to take this and I'm going to make some holes like that throughout. And just go around and make your holes. See? And then we're just going to leave these holes like that. I'm going to probably take out, so they're going to be a little bit of big holes. That's okay. And as this partially dry, I watched a lady and she went and just slowly cleared off. Make sure you do this at the bottom so that you're fixing up the bottom portion for your stand for your light. Just make it look good. And then I'm gonna go through and I think take these out, these little holes out. Okay. So just take it out and have it like that all throughout, right? And then tap it down. Okay, and I'm just gonna do that. And if you want the hole smaller, then just go like that and it will make it a little bit smaller of a hole. And then I'm gonna dry it and we'll come back. I'm gonna partially come back when it's dried. Show you what I'm going to do. So guys, this is finished and look at how beautiful this looks. It actually reminds me of a constellation stars. Now there are some things that I might do differently if I were to do it again, but I'm not sure. I think I'd make these holes a little bit smaller. Yeah, but it looks really pretty. Now you can have it on this stand here. It's a long floor lamp, or you can put this on a bookshelf and have it with one of those flat bulbs, and I'll show you what it looks like. You can buy them off of Amazon, but it's up to you, or in a kid's room. Now that you know how to make the paper mache lamp, Let Your Light So Shine, I have written a guideline on different designing platforms that will help you get your creative juices out of your head and onto a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, don't forget that I do have my Facebook page where we will be uploading different fashion and DIY ideas. You can check out the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on paper mache plates, high-end decor, and my paper mache tray wooden handles. Now, my upcoming video will be on paper mache pumpkins, which is a great fall goodie. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.